Okay guys, so today I'll be explaining to you guys how the Coinbase work. So now the Coinbase is actually one of your best Naira apps that gives you 2% to 5% daily of your investment and your level. It's a cloud server platform that is with you starting your cloud server by 8 a.m. every morning to actually make a profit. You understand? So the minimum investment is 3,000 and the minimum withdrawal is 1,200. Sorry, I made a mistake there. You understand? So now your recharge is actually 20%. You get 20% of your first recharge, and their rebate is 10%, 5%, and 2.5%. That is, rebate is what your referrals earn daily. You get a commission of it. You understand? Now this platform has a rule, and the rule is that your first deposit must be 3,000 naira. You understand? Your first deposit must be 3,000 naira. You understand? So after you depositing 3,000 to test their platform on one day, then your second deposit can now be any amount that you actually choose to deposit. Now there are different levels. Level VIP 0, VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4. There are a lot of VIPs on this platform. But you understand, the VIPs are not really based on your investments. You understand? That is, there is a misconception that people used to have that, okay, if I deposit 6K, I'll be able to enter VIP 1. If I deposit 12K, I'll be able to enter VIP 2. If I deposit, no. You understand? The VIP level are based on your team. You understand? So if you build your team to a level, you get to VIP 1. If you build your team to a level, you get to VIP 2. Build your team to a level, you get to VIP 3. So this, when you first start, you be on this VIP 0. Now, VIP 0, you earn 2.2% daily. You understand? You can invest from the minimum of 3,000 to any amount on this VIP 0. You understand? From 3,000 to any amount you wish to on VIP 0. You understand? And we perform our cloud server task from 8 a.m. You understand? Every morning. Do you understand? So from 3,000 to any amount you choose to invest, you earn 2.2%. So once you build your team to a level, you understand, and you now get to level 1, from the minimum of 6,000 to any amount, you get 3.2%. Once you build your team to a level and you get to VIP 2, you understand, from the minimum of 12,000 to any amount, you get 3.5%. So it's only when you reach that level that you can actually perform the cloud server task of that level. But when you're on level 0, you can only perform level 0 tax. If you're on level 1, you can only perform level 1 tax. If you're on level 2, you can only perform level 2 tax. If you're on level 3, you can only perform level 3. Like I explained earlier, I said that there are a lot of cloud server tasks. You understand? There is the cloud server level 0, level 1. When you register, you're actually on level 0. You understand? And once you build your team to a level, you get to level 1. Once you build your team to a level, you get to level 2. Once you build your team to... So as you're on level 0, you can only perform level 0 tax. And the minimum you can actually use to perform level 0 tax is 3,000 naira to any amount you want to invest. You understand? And once you build your team to a level, you get to level 1. So let me quickly explain those levels. Now, come to this profile section. You see this level. Now, you're on level 0 because the number of your first level in your team is 0. To get to level 1, you have to have 3 people in your first level, which will bring you to the level 1 section. In order to get to level 2, you have to have 6 people in your first level, which will build you to the level 2 section. In order to get to level 3, you have to have 10 people in your level 3 section, in your team section, to bring you to this level 3. And the more you increase in levels, the more you actually increase in the percentage that you actually earn. You understand? Now, listen. I told you guys that when you are starting this platform, there is a rule that everyone has to start with 3K to first test the platform before their second deposit can now be any amount they choose to deposit. So now, for those that ask me, is the capital and profit withdrawable? This is just simply how it is. Now, when you're on level 0, there's a withdrawal rule on level 0. The first 3K that you deposit, you understand, to test the platform cannot be withdrawn. You understand? You can only use it to make sure that your account is, you can only use it to activate your account and you can earn profit from it. The money will also be on your balance, so you can be using it to perform tax and earn profit, but you can't withdraw that exact 3k that you deposit. So you understand, any amount starting from your second deposit, you understand, can then be withdrawn anytime, any day. But when you build your team to level 1, both the 3k that you first deposit and your second deposit, everything can then be withdrawn. So that is the withdrawal rule for level 0. And once you get to level 1, all those withdrawal rule does not apply to you again. So this is simply the brief information on how the Coinbase works. So I hope we actually understand.